Now at this point we've transferred the macaroni noodles into a 3-quart casserole dish. We're going to add the cheese sauce, all of it. Just pour it in there and we're going to mix it up. Now if you look, you can actually see how thick the sauce is. And in fact, if you'd like to make fondue, this is pretty much the same recipe. Now we're going to stir all that in there, mix it in nice and good. We want the cheese to melt into the noodles. Now when all the cheese and noodles have been melted in, we're finally going to bake it. You're going to bake it at 375 degrees for 30 minutes or until the top is browned. At this point, you can also add any of the extra cheese left over to top off the dish. Before that, we're going to have to add our garlic bread. You're just going to layer that one by one so when the cheese melts, it'll just kind of accept the bread into the dish. This also adds a nice little crunchy topping for your macaroni and cheese. When you're done, set for 5 minutes, let cool, and enjoy.